The drones being used in Sudan. 1,000 attacks since April 2023. Since April 2023, Sudan has witnessed over **1,000 drone attacks. Escalating aerial warfare. A new analysis examines the types of drones used, their sourcing, attack hotspots, and the devastating human cost of these strikes. The report highlights the growing threat of drone warfare in conflict zones. LegalZoom promo code. Exclusive 10% off LLC formations. Unlock *10% off *LLC formations and other essential business services with LegalZoom's latest promo codes. Wired shares exclusive deals to help you save on incorporation, estate planning, and more. Perfect for entrepreneurs and small business owners. 20% off TurboTax service codes, January 2026. Ease your 2026 tax season with *20% off TurboTax federal filings, **, and $40 off Expert Assist *. Wired shares exclusive discount codes to simplify your returns and save big. Don't miss out. Tax prep just got smarter. Google Workspace promo code. Up to 14% off in 2026. Save big on Google Workspace. Wired offers exclusive promo codes for up to *14% off plans, including starter, standard, and plus tiers. For *3 months. Boost productivity with discounted access to Google's powerful tools in 2026. We found 2 theaters with sold-out Melania opening day screenings. 2 theaters report sold-out screenings for Melania on opening day, according to WIRED's analysis. Welcome to the Most Wicked Apprentice program on campus. MITS Pappalardo Apprentice Program blends hands-on fabrication, mentorship, and creativity in its Most Wicked lab. Juniors and seniors refine skills in machining, metallurgy, and CAD/CAM while restoring historic engineering projects, like a 19th century anchor windlass, under guidance from peers and faculty. Celebrating its 10th year, the program merges MITS industrial heritage with modern engineering, fostering community and innovation through experiential learning. She has a presence. The Melania superfans who turned up for opening weekend, Wired. Dive into the vibrant energy surrounding the documentary about former First Lady Melania Trump, as Wired explores dedicated superfans who gathered for opening weekend screenings on both coasts. A must-read for pop culture and political intrigue. Signs of forced entry found at Arizona home of Today Show host Savannah Guthrie's mother. Hey. Seattle Times. Investigators confirmed signs of forced entry at the Arizona home of Today Show host Savannah Guthrie's mother. Authorities are examining the incident as details emerge. Stay tuned for updates on this developing story. Chappell Roan says revealing Grammy's outfit wasn't that outrageous, BBC. Pop star Chappell Roan defends her revealing Grammy's outfit, calling the breast-bearing muggler dress not that outrageous. The star sparked conversation with her bold choice at Sunday's ceremony, sparking discussions on fashion and boundaries in public performances. The Muppet Show returns for a cute and nostalgic special, Gizmodo. Celebrate 50 years of laughter with The Muppet Show, *1-off special. Join Kermit, Miss Piggy, and the gang for a nostalgic reunion, featuring special guest Sabrina Carpenter, Miss Piggy's biggest fan. A must-watch for fans old and new. Sarah Ferguson emails to Epstein show increasing desperation, BBC. Newly disclosed emails reveal former Duchess of York, Sarah Ferguson, expressing deep distress, calling herself traumatized and alone. The messages, linked to Jeffrey Epstein, highlight growing desperation amid ongoing controversies. BBC reports shed light on her emotional state. Bruce Springsteen, Tom Morello rock against ice. On the scene in Minneapolis, Rolling Stone. Legendary rockers Bruce Springsteen and Tom Morello took the stage in Minneapolis to rally against ICE, protesting the deadly shootings of Renee Good and Alex Pretty by federal immigration agents. Their powerful performance underscored the urgent call for justice and reform. Everything you need to know for WWE Royal Rumble 2026 Bleacher Report. WWE's Royal Rumble 2026 in Saudi Arabia promises an electrifying showdown as fans gear up for the iconic event, with high-stakes matches and legendary wrestlers competing. This weekend's spectacle is set to deliver unforgettable moments. Don't miss the action. Box office. Iron Lung sinks the competition with $8.9 million. Send Help survives in second place. Variety. Iron Lung, the indie horror film starring YouTuber Markiplier, dominated the box office this weekend with a massive $8.9 million debut, crushing competition. Meanwhile, Send Help climbed to second place, a must-watch for horror fans and streaming stars alike. WWE Hall of Famer returning at Royal Rumble 2026 Wrestle Talk. WWE legend set to shock fans by returning to the Royal Rumble 2026. A historic moment for the Hall of Famer. The high-stakes match, just hours away, promises drama as the veteran steps back into the ring. Wrestling world buzzes with anticipation. Tributes pour in for beloved actress Catherine O'Hara, Al Jazeera. The entertainment world mourns the loss of iconic actress Catherine O'Hara, celebrated for her comedic genius and kindness. Tributes flood in from peers and politicians after her passing at 71, honoring her legendary contributions to film and television. Stevie Wonder makes surprise appearance. Play at All-Star Concert, The Seattle Times. Legendary Stevie Wonder delivered an emotional surprise performance and heartfelt plea at a Musicare's Person of the Year concert, celebrating music and philanthropy. The event honored an artist annually for their groundbreaking contributions in charitable work. Second Epstein victim claims she was sent to UK for sex with Andrew. Lawyer says, BBC. A new Epstein victim claims she was sent to the UK in 2010 for a sexual encounter with Jeffrey Epstein at Royal Lodge. According to her lawyer, the allegations add to the growing scandal surrounding the convicted sex offender. 6 takeaways from Melania, Amazon MGM's documentary about the First Lady, Deadline. Amazon MGM's new documentary Melania offers glimpses into the First Lady's life, though it lacks deep revelations. With candid moments and behind-the-scenes insights, the film provides a mix of personal and political perspectives, ideal for fans of political storytelling. Schitt's Creek cast reacts to Catherine O'Hara's death. It's hard to imagine a world without her in it. Variety. The beloved Schitt's Creek cast, including Eugene Levy, pay heartfelt tribute to co-star Catherine O'Hara, who passed away at 71 after a short illness. Fans and colleagues mourn her irreplaceable presence, calling her a defining force in the beloved series.